Hello everyone, it's Ira and I'm here today to do some unboxing and to show you some collaboration package I got from the company called Craspire, which you can see in the title. And so they sent me this pack of goodies, good for journaling and for journal making, bullet journaling whatsoever. And let's see, I definitely have already seen it. Let's see what I got. So first, it's a set of dies. It's a set of dies, cutting dies. Let us open them. And I picked them for my forest projects, which are many. Usually, as you know, I'm a forest fiend. Oh, come on. Here are the dies. They are pretty big, as you can see, and there are two sets. I think I will, I will try to use them and show how they work and what kind of die cuts they provide in the further videos when I do some projects with them. Then we have a set. It's kind of writing letter writing set, right? It's a collection of two, as far as I remember. I ordered 2 items, and here we are. It has one item or one piece has a roll of sticky notes like thank you for your order. There are 2 because I ordered 2 packages. There are some envelopes. As far as I got it, the amount of envelopes is twice as little as the amount of writing paper. And this is the inserts of writing paper. All of them are different. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Looks nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like 8, right? You see them? And so there are 3 more pieces of the same pattern. So patterns are different, and as far as I understand, one item or one piece includes 2 packages of paper and half of these envelopes. Also, this pack includes tiny keys. Let's see, at least one. And these keys are good. They are supposed, this is it. This is how it looks. I believe they are all the same, with the same look. And rope. And you are supposed to write a letter, write a message, fold the page, put it into the envelope, and seal it with the sticker and tie it with a knot and a key. And in fact, I took them, probably there is some noise, for my journals, because journals and lab books, because I often use inserts and envelopes of different kinds. And I'm planning to make an envelope mini folder book for my current project as well. So I think I will put these 3 aside for that. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's put it aside. Oh, I need some more space. Let's see what else we have. 2 similar packages of scrapbooking paper. The first one is opened. Here we are. We have multiple pieces, 2 pieces each, of different nice cards, paper. They are not very thick. They're pretty thin, maybe less than 90 grams of paper density, thickness. Oh, is it 3? Did I see 3 of them? Yes, I thought, no, it's only 2. Yeah, and you see nice insects, different beetles, butterflies, and I'm gonna use the first one, and I will take it now for my current clover project. As you can see, there is a tiny clover. And what I also liked here is this package. I believe I will use it as well as kind of a part of an envelope or some decoration or some insert. That's my way to use everything. Another tasty piece is a big collection of writing paper, for letters and for notes and envelopes. I adore them. There are some sets of different types and different colors with different patterns, and the best part, these envelopes, they are amazing. They say the Willow story, and I like them so much. And we have, for each pattern, we have 3 envelopes and some pages, some writing paper pages. So let's see, that's the front part, and that's the back side. They are good for different seasons. 1, 2, I guess it's about 6 to make 2 pages in one, to put 2 pages in one envelope. 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6. These are pretty heavyweight. No, actually flexible, but comparing to the previous pages, look to me they're a little bit harder, but that can be just an impression. Another collection of envelopes and paper. Look how nice it is. It will make beautiful papers, beautiful letters, and amazing notes. And just pages, you can use it as a page, as a scrapbooking paper, absolutely. Wow, my favorite color. My favorite green with birdies and flowers and some late summer pieces. I mean, the color shaded and a little bit worn. Yeah, here we are. Then I don't know whether it's Christmasish or autumnish, but looks like very nice addition to some autumn project as well. And these are nice good luck saying, and a toy. Maybe it's kind of Christmas, I just don't know. I know, but difficult to say. But still bright. What I like is just the color scheme and this nice and very funny images and patterns. So nice. Oh, it's a foxy. Yeah, you can see a foxy here. Yes, and here we are. I need to prepare which ones to use for my current project. I believe this one. It has something to do with glow, or at least a pink color, if it's not clover itself. So I will take some pages out of this. And this is a clearly autumnish part with berries and leaves and late autumn butterflies. So this is it. I like this piece most of all because it's really versatile at the same time as it's vivid, and it's in my favorite pastel colors, pastel tones, not very bright. And the last pack, it's an assortment of 3 writing paper blocks. One is black. Well, there are 2 in fact, but I opened one. You see, it has some gilded look on it, and yes, the images are also different. Let's see. It has some kind of very nice cotton texture, cotton cloth texture, nice shimmer. It's me, I turned it a little bit while taking out of my package. Rabbit. Oh, black and white is one of the projects on my list. Hanging there for long, for more than 5 years. But sooner or later I'll come to it. Then we have a package of brown paper. It's thinner to me, and the texture is different. It's pretty silky. And white, which is pretty transparent and pretty thin, but still very nice for albums and journals. You see, they will make perfect journal pages. You will have to glue them together here, or add them to another, or just fold them over and use as they are. And for each set, there is an array of envelopes, all different colors. So I'll have lots of projects with envelopes, which I very much like to transform into something else. And there are some stickers, which is called Special Selected. So two sets. I'm going to provide the links to all the items listed below, and I also will make some projects using the dies or some envelopes or some other pieces of this package and of this set. If you liked some of them, the links will be provided in the description box, as well as the discount code. The code for the discount also will be written there, that you can use to shop in Craspire. And if you have any questions on how it goes, how they work, how they look, feel free to join and ask. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with my other projects.